Hey guys, welcome back to my video for this week. This week nail tutorial, I'm going to do something easy and quick but still looking good, and it makes it look like you did this for hours. So I'm just going to make this intro quick and easy. But before you continue watching and I continue doing what I do every single week, go ahead and down below and subscribe if you haven't, and if you're new, go down below, subscribe to my channel, hit the gray notification bell right there at the bottom so you can be notified for all the other videos that I do in this week, which I do 3 a week, and also share it and give this video a like, and then you're all done, and so you can continue to watch. So let's get started with this video. You got me singing way oh, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh. So you guys, let's get started with this shattered glass nail tutorial. First, as always, you want to put a base coat, and then you want to put 2 coats of the base colors that I show you, which is the nice shimmery pink and the beautiful taupe color.
Let go of you, I've got to let go. I've got to let go of you. I got to let go. I've got to let go of you. I've got to let go of you. Got to let go of you. I've got to let go.
So you have those 2 done. Leave the taupe colors alone for a minute, and you want to begin the shattered glass part. So I'm going to do that on my index finger, pinky, and middle finger. For the shattered glass, I'm going to use a gel nail polish. So for the shattered glass look, I'm going to use Sensationail, or I hope I said that right, Sensationail's shattered glass look gel polish, and I'm going to use that for the shattered glass look. I'm going to do 2 coats. So I'm going to do a nice thin coat, let it cure for 30 seconds, and do a second thin coat, and do it cure for another 30 seconds, since the shattered glass pieces that's in there is so small, and so I want a lot to cover. So you want to use the LED light to dry it, and so I have the Sensationail's LED light already, which you'll see here.
I've got to let go of you. I've got to let go. I've got to let go of you. I got to let go. I've got to let go of you. I've got to let go of you. I've got to let go of you. I've got to let go.
So to finish off the thumb and wedding finger, I'm going to put some gold caviar beads around the cuticle area.
I just want to move on, so I have got to be strong. I know I have to go on, that's why. And now I know what to do, although I know it hurts you, but I just can't follow through.
And then you want to finish that off with a matte top coat.
Oh, I've got to let go. I've got to let go of you. I got to let go. I've got to let go of you. I've got to let go.
And then with the index finger finger, pinky, and middle finger, you want to use the Pro FX High Gloss Quick Drying Top Coat. And like I said, it was quick and easy and fast. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it and I hope you recreate it. And yeah. So you guys, what do you think of my version of the shattered glass nails? I haven't done it on my channel, so I thought it was crazy cool to do, and it was very quick to do. So I hope you liked it. Tell me down below in the comments if you did. And yeah, if you haven't at the beginning, go ahead and subscribe, hit the great notification bell, give this video a like, and share it. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye.